Hi guys, hello, welcome to the video. So today I thought I would do a day in the life video for you guys because my days have gotten really crazy, really long, and honestly like a little bit more interesting than they used to be. And I always get asked all the time what it's like to be an influencer and have 2 YouTube channels and a podcast and a social life and all these sorts of things, and how do you manage it all, how do you do everything. So I thought I would show you guys today how I kind of handle my busy days and how I get everything in order and prioritize and all that kind of stuff. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to Vaseline for sponsoring a portion of this video, but we will get to that later. Yeah, long story short, I thought I'd just show you guys a day in my life, what I've been doing lately. It's been pretty crazy, but I've been feeling productive, and I like it that way. So let's get to the video, and I'll see you guys soon. I can't even open my eyes, I'm so tired. Not a morning person. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, okay, so I just finished off my morning workout. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling hyped. Now I'm heading over to the office and I'm going to have a meeting with my assistant Sarah and my videographer slash editor Eli. We pretty much have meetings on the daily and just strategize about what's going on like the brand deal side, what's going on with content, between like my podcast, vlog channel, main channel. There's always a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna go and I will see you guys when we get there. Good morning! Alright guys, so we're at the office. We are in my office, which I love having so much. So obviously it's no big secret, but a big part of being an influencer is doing brand deals and working with different brands and things like that. And speaking of sponsors, this video is actually sponsored by Vaseline, which is nuts. So this right here is the new Vaseline All Over Body Balm. It's a jelly stick. It's just this massive stick that is so great and easy to take and travel with. You can throw it in your bag, you can throw it in your purse. I take it with me to the gym. I use it when I'm getting ready in the morning. Okay, so the Vaseline jelly stick is awesome because it's mess free. You open it up and you can just put it on your skin wherever you have normal chafing or dryness, especially with the weather outside lately. I've been getting so dry, it's not even funny. So you can apply it, you don't even have to rub it in. It just makes your skin, look at that already. You see that? It's awesome because it's mess free. You can just glide it on. There's no residue. You don't even have to rub it in, which is the best. Especially good places to put it are like on your arms, your neck, your heels. I've been getting really bad blisters, so this has been helping me with that. And there's so many other hacks that you can use for it. It's seriously just great. It's like great to throw in your bag, and I love Vaseline. I've been using it for years. It's one of my absolute favorite lip balms, so now that I have this little stick that I can just throw in my bag and take anywhere with me, it makes my life so much easier. So yeah, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link down below. I'm gonna go get back to editing a new vlog, and then I gotta head home because we've got a pretty crazy day today. So, see you there. Just want to say thank you to Vaseline for sponsoring that portion of the video, and now on to the rest of my day. Alright guys, so now that we are ready, it is time to move on to breakfast. Usually I like to make eggs or something if I have time in the morning, but right now we are running a little late and I need to run out the door, so I'm gonna make myself a protein shake. Come on, let's do it.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, I'm good. Start with a cup. I've made this countless times on any of my YouTube videos, any of my vlogs. Stacey's also very excited, very amused. Gonna add in a frozen banana. Ooh. 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 Voila. Actually, best part is this.
As the spoon is still in your mouth. Show us how it's done.
Ready?
Yeah.
With the legs.
There we go.
For a little shake, you know? Alright, we got our shake. Ooh, look at that. It's like a milkshake consistency. Got my metal straw, save the turtles. We're gonna head out the door and I'll see you guys in the valley. Alright guys, after a very long drive, we've made it over to, where are we? We're in Burbank. We're at the Entertainment Tonight studios.
You and I already know we care about. I was like, Remy would care about this.
Oh, yeah.
You know? So Chrissy here will prep you on this. It's actually our second story today, but it's Miley and Cody.
Oh, thank you.
Basic podcast, Miss Remy. Cheers, girls. Thanks for being here.
Okay.
Hello, Internet. Welcome to the download. Now, before we get into what y'all are talking about on the Internet today, I've got a special guest co-host, digital creator, and co-host of Pretty Basic Podcast, Miss Remy Cruz.
Hello! Lunchtime. I'm hungry.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay.
Woo!
Ooh, ooh,
Oh, that was a good spin.
ooh.
Hello, welcome. So we just recorded.
That spin almost made me fall.
Oh my god, I like saw you fall. So we just recorded. I think it was the fastest episode we've ever recorded, but I feel like it's genuinely because we saw each other yesterday and we already updated each other with stuff. Because like normally,
It felt good.
Normally we would have talked about Tokyo, but we were like, we've already talked about
We're
that. Let's talk
done.
about some deep stuff. Let's talk about our feelings. Let's talk about all that.
Thank
so,
you.
Yeah.
You're good.
I don't know what
Thank
you
you
already
so much.
recorded. I was just trying to give you context. We can leave this in.
Hi guys, it's been really busy. We now have to run to the gym. I don't have time to go stop and get a snack, so that's when you come in. Thank you again. I love you. Thank you.
I hate you guys.
Vital Farms.
Bye.
Love you. Thank you. I'm so hungry. Okay, calling me wrong. Alright guys, it's been a long day. We got a lot of work done, got ET done, went to PB, finished that. I actually haven't eaten lunch yet because I've been so crazy busy, but now I'm at the gym. I'm gonna work out with my trainer, and I gotta take my makeup off and change, so let's go do that. I'm really sore. Wish me luck. Please.
Oh my god.
Hi everybody, I'm home now. What time is it?
5:30.
5:30. I've had a crazy day and I had no time to eat. Daisy apparently had no time to eat either because she's eating back there now. But I just got home. I'm finally eating lunch. I'm finishing it up right now. I was so hungry driving around and doing everything today, but it's now time to like unwind for the night. I need to go grocery shopping. I think we're gonna go to the gym again. We're gonna have a nice chill night, make some dinner. I need to shower. Hello all, it is later. We did not go to the gym. We honestly did nothing, but time to go to the grocery store because we need to get groceries to make dinner. What are we making?
Salmon.
Salmon. And we'll figure out the rest when we get there. It's fall now, so I'm wearing this fit. Hello? Hello! Oh, hi. Okay, we'll be back in 20 minutes, and I'm gonna bring you a special snack, right? Right. We have made it. Also, it's way hotter than I thought, and I'm wearing pants and boots and a sweatshirt. So, all right, these are the only blueberries they have to offer, but I will be getting 2 then. This place is cleared out. Slim pickings today. Oh my god, look how cute this is. It's a little watermelon cucumber. Everybody, for dinner we've decided to do salmon, and then I've been so into riced cauliflower, and someone here, not me, has never tried it before. So we're gonna make fried rice with the riced cauliflower. So I'm gonna get 2 bags. I'm also gonna put broccoli in it. I need onions. I need everything that goes in normal fried rice. What else goes in fried rice? I don't know. I could do some baby carrots. Oh! The world is your oyster. Let's do white button mushrooms. Yes?
Edible flowers.
Ooh, let's top it with edible flowers to make it pretty. A little bit of this action. One more for safety. Daisy's definitely at home wondering where her treats are, so I'm gonna get her some chicken jerky, her favorite. We're standing here drooling over all the baked goods while we go home and make cauliflower rice and fish. Ooh my god, look at that chocolate twist. Whoa, Nelly. That looks good too. Wow. Oh my god, look at this camera quality. Oh my god, wow.
Wow.
Do you see that? Look at these sesame seeds. Or this bagel. This almond. All right, we have made a concoction thus far with onions, garlic, red peppers, mushrooms, broccoli. What else is carrots? Is that it?
Carrots.
I think that's it. We're sauteing it up. Now, want to do the honor? Dun, 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 dun. We already microwaved the rice. That's going in. In the meantime, I had my salmon cooking up in the air fryer. Ooh, she's a beauty. Leave that there. Oh, yes. Okay, to the rice. We're gonna add in some eggs, scramble those up, and then also garlic sauce, coconut aminos. They're really yummy. It's not focusing. There we go. Delicious. I'm almost out. I should have gotten a new bottle today. A little sriracha. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! We're done. It looks so good. We've got mine and his. The last finishing touch.
Finishing touch.
Here we go. Wow, next level. It actually is really pretty though. Gorgeous.
Got you. Oh, look, orange ones, Halloween.
Beautiful. How festive. Daisy's scared. All right, we're eating dinner. Watching Cody Co while Daisy sits on the couch. Daisy. All right, guys, it is midnight. I'm about to go to bed. I am going to wash my face. I'm gonna brush my teeth, the normal night routine. I'm gonna get to bed, go to sleep because I'm very tired, so let's do it. I'm just by myself, don't need no one else. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have a 15-step skincare routine like every other YouTube girl. I take off my face with makeup wipes from Costco, then I'll wash my face with some sort of face wash, and then if I really feel responsible, I'll put some sort of moisturizer on, but that's only like 3 out of the 7 days of the week. A gel moisturizer, like that, put it on my skin. I should be more gentle. That's it. I look like a tomato, but my face is clean, it feels good. All right, check this out, guys. This has been the main attraction of the room lately. Ooh, wow. Oh. All right, guys, that was a day in my life. Today was pretty crazy, but I feel like it wound down very nicely. But yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs. Oh, Daisy, not on camera. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not sure how to end this. Okay, bye.